Hey guys, Jose here of Yugatech, and since the pandemic, many of us have shifted to work from home setups for both school and for work. And now that some people have permanently made the switch, it's all the more important to have a stable and fast internet connection through a reliable Wi-Fi router. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the fastest and strongest Wi-Fi routers in the market today. We've gone ahead and made sure that each router in our list has the minimum features that we feel every router should have, particularly Wi-Fi 6 and above, dual band support, and a wide enough range to cover an entire house. Now, let's get right into it. First on our list is the TP-Link Archer AX23. The AX23 is a great option for those who just want a quick upgrade from their stock ISP router, offering Wi-Fi 6, speeds of up to 1.8 gigabits per second, and coverage that can reach a house with 2 to 3 bedrooms. The AX23 is a great budget router that can seriously up your internet speeds for a relatively low price. You can find the AX23 on Shopee or Lazada for just around 2,990 pesos. Next up is another one from TP-Link, this time the Archer AX55. The AX55 has all the same features as the AX23 but with faster speeds at 2.4 gigabits per second and wider coverage. Not only that, the AX55 comes with high power FEM, DFS, and a USB 3.0 port, which the AX23 doesn't have. With these added features, the AX55 comes in at a higher price of 5,000 pesos and can be found on both Shopee and Lazada. Following up next is the ASUS TUF Gaming AX5400. The first of the two gaming routers we have on this list. The AX5400 is an excellent choice for those looking for great speeds and are thinking of doing some gaming as well. Its standout features is having ASUS game device prioritizing, which means that game systems that are connected to the router will be prioritized in terms of internet speed and connection. That's a pretty neat gaming feature right there. Not only that, but ASUS mobile gamers will benefit from ASUS Mobile Game Mode, which can be found via the ASUS Router app. The AX5400 comes at a cool 9,700 pesos on both Shopee and Lazada. For people who want a router that can also fit their setup as a living room decor, the TP-Link Deco X50 is the #1 choice. Sporting an all-white body, the Deco X50 looks more like a fancy-looking base instead of a boxy router. The Deco X50 is Wi-Fi 6 enabled, offers up to 3.0 gigabits per second wireless speed, and has an AI-driven mesh feature that learns what the most ideal setup is for your connection at home. We do recommend getting the X50's 3-pack, which retails at 14,900 pesos. The 3-pack allows you to set up multiple access points to make sure that there are no dead zones wherever you are in your home. While the X50 is undeniably expensive, we feel that you're definitely getting your money's worth in terms of features and as well as aesthetics. For those who want a future-proof Wi-Fi router, you can't go wrong with the ASUS ZenWiFi AX Mini XD4. Offering one of the best mesh Wi-Fi systems in the market today, the Mini XD4 provides up to 4,800 square feet of coverage, which can reach out to more than 5 rooms. We also like the minimalist look of the Mini XD4, with its simple and small design that doesn't really stand out. In terms of features, the XD4 provides wireless speeds of up to 1.8 gigabits per second and has the added bonus of being compatible with the ASUS Router app. The SRP of the Mini XD4 is 19,999 pesos. While the XD4 does come with a hefty price tag, the performance you get with it is extremely wide coverage, which is well worth the money. Last but certainly not least is ASUS ROG Rapture GT-AX6000. In terms of Wi-Fi routers, this is a beast as you can get. The Rapture is one of those feature-packed routers on the market today and was made with the power user and gaming enthusiast in mind. In terms of features, it has everything but the kitchen sink, expanded coverage through ASUS Range Boost Plus, AI mesh technology, game device prioritization, gaming VPN, and many more. For gamers who really want the best router out there, the Rapture is it. With all the goodies and features, the Rapture is priced accordingly at 22,550 pesos. And that ends our list of the fastest and strongest Wi-Fi routers in the market today. What do you think of our picks? Let us know in your thoughts below. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future uploads. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, or visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose of Yugatech, and I'll see you around. Peace!